Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Alfian Wijayanto. I'm from Mechatronics of Sanata Dharma University. And now I will inform you about DIY helicopter selfie drone. And we have entered a digital age where taking better selfie means a lot to individuals. But taking selfies is either limited to lack of one's arm or unexcited selfie stick. Well, we unlock this limitation with our innovative selfie drone. And then the drones consist of a wireless camera that allows user to click his or her selfie from a wall with variety of angles, including from top, from far away, for to close-up zooming videos, family selfies, group videos, and a lot more. Medical supply delivery drone is big innovation today and the most important when desirable. And then the camera footage can be monitored by user, and user can also click photo as well as video through the drone camera using his or her Android phone. Thus, the project allows for a fully automated remote control selfie drone helicopter. And I am very impressed with this tool. This is good innovative, I think. And I searched in internet and read some book about technology used in drones, and we did some video in internet. And preview of main points. First, I will discuss why this innovation or drone was made. Second, I will explain the use and advantage of DIY helicopter selfie drone. The drone consists of a wireless camera that allows user to click his or her selfie from a wall with variety of angles, including from top, from far away, for to close-up zooming videos, family selfies, group videos, and a lot more. This project enables a fully automated remote control selfie drone helicopter. We have attack a camera that can be operated wireless via an Android phone. And the problem encountered when using this tool in public. Number one, the danger order if something goes wrong while the drone is playing. Number two, permission granted by the government to operate drones. Point one, maintaining aviation safety and security is a shared task. Not only the government but the community must also participate. One of them is by not flying drones in public place without permission. And make new innovation to make it easier for the people of Jogja to take advantage of developing technologies such as this drone. The result of the innovation made. Point one, the drone consists of a wireless camera that allows user to click his or her selfie from a wall with variety of angles including from top, from far away, 4 to close-up zooming videos, family selfies, group videos, and a lot more. And number 2, the future brought by drones for more advanced innovation. As remote shooting assists in the production of film with a high range of image. The review of main points. Number 1. Today I first discuss the drone itself. Second, I discuss the advance of drones as new innovation. Lastly, I discuss the future use of drones. From the use of drones to efficient shooting, it certainly makes a lot of work easier. Drones is one of the factors of a small problem where there is a ban on operating drones in several places. Thank you.